What's up, Kid family? Bully Kid here, checking in, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your rear differential fluid on a Pontiac G8, but this can apply to any other vehicle with a rear differential. Now this is the fluid that we will be using specifically for this differential. It is specifically designed for the Pontiac G8 as they have carbon lining synchros and gears inside the differential. And as with most jobs, you're going to need a little pump that you put in the quart bottle that you will be able to pump up. In this differential, there is a top plug and a bottom plug. The top is the fill, the bottom is the drain. Alright, you just want to jack up the car, make sure it is level. I also undid some of the exhaust hangers and put them on the side. Now, I took off this fill plug, which is on top, and there is no differential fluid leaking out of it. The car is level. This, I believe, is because the car was underfilled during the previous service. Okay guys, now it comes the scary part. We're going to undo the drain bolt here, and bam, luckily we have fluid. For a second there I thought there was no fluid. So while it is draining, this is the time you want to clean off your differential drain plug bolt. It has a magnetic tip, as you can see, and there's a lot of dirt and debris that actually attaches itself, metal particles. So you want to clean that off so the magnet is nice and fresh. And speaking of fresh, make sure your differential fluid does not get to this point. Follow the manufacturer recommendations and look at the difference between the old fluid and the new fluid. And for those of you that are not familiar with the rear differential, it is essentially a set of gears that transfers power from the engine through the drive shaft into the rear axles of the vehicle. Now this fluid does break down over time due to heat and wear, so it is important to replace it with fresh fluid. Once everything finishes draining, you want to reinstall that drain plug bolt, and then you're going to start pumping in your fluid into the fill hole. Now this car in particular takes 1 quart and 1/4 of a quart of fluid. You're going to pump until the fluid starts leaking out from the fill plug. That means it is full and you are done. You can close the fill plug. As always, don't forget to test drive your vehicle after the service. And always do a burnout to make sure everything is working properly.